As you all know, the crypto market hasn't shown any movement in the past few years, but now it is rising and stabilizing, and it hasn't done this just once. It has done it several times. The classic crypto market rise and fall pattern. It continues its path by exhausting new entrants and making them sell their holdings, rewarding the old and patient ones. When we look at the crypto market, there have always been huge rises and falls. Why? Because there is asymmetric risk here. What I mean is that the gains here, when compared to the annual gains in NASDAQ and S&P 500, show an incredible difference. If you invest in assets with a quality and solid team, imagine where your investment can go. The current total value of the crypto market is around 2.5 trillion, and 1.33 of this total amount is constituted by Bitcoin. While Bitcoin still has a long way to go, I want you to think about the rises that Ethereum and similar crypto assets will make. When we look at these valuable assets, I want you to ask the following question. Which sector are they an alternative to? And what problem do they solve? If they answer these questions, who is in the team? What projects have they worked on before? What jobs have they accomplished? And which of the promises or projects they were supposed to fulfill have they realized so far? If the project truly answers these and proves to be a solution or a real alternative to sectors, the last and another critical question is the frequency and ease of use. If the project answers these questions, we can feel a bit more at ease about it. Finding a good opportunity for making great profits means we've found a good project. Paying attention to these when investing in a crypto asset will make the statements of an internet celebrity saying, "Buy it, it's going to explode, it will definitely make you retire," seem funny to you. Of course, I will give you examples from my portfolio, but before that, I am giving you ideas on how to evaluate these crypto assets. It would be wrong to say, buy these assets, they will fly. We have big rises ahead. It would not be ethical. Giving you an idea of how to evaluate the situation means I care about your profit. I would like people who are really winning or want to win to follow me. Your profit means the people who follow me, share their thoughts, comments, and likes with me, are winning along with me. I want that. I cannot achieve anything and cannot touch anyone's life by just selling you dreams. You might ask why I would want such a thing, but I want you to know that your profit means my profit. Even the smallest gain you make with the smallest information you learn from this channel would make you want to follow, comment, and like this channel. That's why let's win together. If I have given you an idea of how to look at crypto assets, and if we have completed this step, and I have clearly explained why I want such a thing, let's move on to the crypto assets I have increased my holdings in. You know, Bitcoin is the indispensable first asset in all our portfolios, and Ethereum is the second asset in my portfolio. Having mentioned these two guaranteed assets, let's move on to the third asset. The third asset is Uniswap. Considering the system it wants to be an alternative to and the problem it wants to solve, think about where Uniswap's current value can go. A $1,000 transaction we make from Uniswap around October or November 2023 almost achieved a 5 to 6x rise during Bitcoin's rise to $70,000. Considering Uniswap's potential, it holds a significant place in my portfolio. However, it's essential to pay attention not only to Uniswap, but also to other projects. For instance, projects like Chainlink play a critical role in the decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem and can provide substantial gains in the future. The next project we will look at is Ondo, which is also a highly promising project. Ondo can be said to be doing an irreplaceable job in terms of its intended purpose. What does it do? Ondo token is a crypto project that serves in the decentralized finance DeFi field and focuses on real-world assets, RWAs. It aims to integrate traditional financial products with the blockchain and transfer assets onto the blockchain. Additionally, I want to share another piece of information about Ondo. Ondo, the most popular crypto project in the RWA field, is supported by strong names like BlackRock. Yes, BlackRock is among the investors in this project. Considering the capital they hold, you can imagine what could happen. Look, Ondo is as valuable to us as future BTC or Ethereum, because the goal is to tokenize almost all financial assets, and its biggest supporters are BlackRock. Another asset in my portfolio is Kaspa. To explain a bit about Kaspa, it is a decentralized, open source, and scalable Layer 1 solution. KAS coin, or Kaspa, is the native currency of the project and is used for all on-chain transactions and distributing mining rewards. And there is something you should not forget. Kaspa is not a token. Since Kaspa is a Layer 1 solution, KAS is a coin, KAS coin, or Kaspa is the native currency of the project and is used for all on-chain transactions and distributing mining rewards. And there's one thing you should remember. Kaspa is not a token. Since Kaspa is a Layer 1 solution, KAS is a coin. I want to emphasize the point about doing your own research that I mentioned to you. None of the crypto assets I mentioned are investment advice, but I will also share examples and information from my own research. Remember, no matter how much I explain these crypto assets to you or give examples from my research, you should always do your own research. To give examples from my research on Kaspa, the project was founded by Jonathan Sompolinski, who is also one of the authors of the Ghost DAG Phantom Protocol, which serves as Kaspa's core consensus mechanism. When we invest in these projects, we need to be informed about almost everything, because we don't earn our money easily and don't want to lose it easily either. That's why I want to warn you to be cautious. Even though Kaspa is very attractive in terms of gains, do not invest just because I said so. Do your research. Here's another of our favorite assets, Synthetix. To briefly explain Synthetix, SNX, it is a decentralized finance, DeFi protocol that allows various types of cryptocurrencies and non-crypto assets to be traded on the blockchain. Another great aspect is that it operates on the Ethereum blockchain. It also provides users with access to highly liquid synthetic assets. To explain exactly what they do in their own words, they say, Synthetix enables trading of real-world financial instruments values in a synthetic form called synths with crypto assets. I want you to research the crypto assets we talked about today yourself and take action as soon as possible without delaying your investment. Remember, this is the market that offers the highest returns and the highest losses in the financial markets. Do your research accordingly. Take care until we meet again.